Alright, hello everyone. Today we're going to be doing a different video today on 2.0. Today we're going to be reacting to my first videos on each channel on gaming and 2.0. So let's go here. And then let's get my first video. Look at this first video came through 3 Roblox gameplay 1 year ago. That is I didn't like that thumbnail. So let's first look at this. Oh shoot. Oh, that I remember that keyboard. Okay, what? Look at how different I look now. Here, I'll move my face cam for you guys. So like that's me over there. And then this is me now. Yeah, I had yeah, I'm gonna put my face cam right here. So wait. Sorry, why is the internet terrible?
Okay, hello Island.
Look at my voice.
303. We're gonna play some. Okay, hello Island. This is Cayman 303.
Wait, actually, look at how different this looks. Look, this was when Arsenal. That was a nice description. This is my first video. Like, yeah, obviously. Look at that. October 21st, 2020. And now, it's March 22nd. God, why can't I speak? It's March 2022. So this video was like 2 years ago. God, I look so different now. I remember using this skin.
And this,
Alright,
okay,
we're gonna watch it for a little bit. I won't
this is
stop
Cayman
it.
303. And this is the first official video of my channel.
Oh yeah, I miss. Look at how I said like, okay, hello everyone. I was like, okay, hello everyone.
Okay, hello Island.
Like, hello everyone.
Okay, hello Island. This is Cayman 303.
Alright, I promise I won't keep stopping it.
And this is the first official video of my channel. So we are gonna play some Arsenal.
You remember?
Today.
Look at the man cave.
We'll probably play games and.
You will not fail me, all right?
So yeah.
God, that keyboard's so annoying. And look at this now. This is when I had the FOV like zoomed in. Look at my Roblox avatar as well. Here, like, let me see. I remember
right
the
there.
I used the John Roblox.
Shred it!
No.
Alright, that's when I fail. I was like trying to knife him. Like, look at that. Look how terrible I was. I missed every shot.
No.
God, that keyboard is like loud. And then let's go here.
How did I not get that?
My voice is so much higher pitched.
Dude, stupid Springville.
Stupid Springfield. I remember that. I still hate that gun.
Oh, I hate the Springfield.
And then let's see.
You're right.
You see that? This is
What?
I didn't realize.
and then this is where I didn't realize he was.
Oh, I didn't even realize that.
I
Okay.
remember.
Some wick what?
Like, look, I had this mic, just the typical headset mic. Now I have the Blue Yeti.
Be right.
And then let's go to the part that I will. Let's see. Alright, this
Mop.
is it.
Okay, golden knife, which is the golden mop.
I remember I had it because I was experiencing a lot of toxic players.
Yeah!
Oh yeah, there was that, and I had no outro. And I had no intro and outro to this video, so...
The first video of Gaming Game of Thrones 3, and thanks for watching. Bye. Out.
Gladdy! Wait. Wait, Laddie, what? You joined?
What?
You joined?
What do you mean I joined?
Wait, you're back? I'm doing the video reacting.
Yeah, I'm back. I'm eating food. I'm gonna just make some food.
Hold on. Let me give
I just went and made some food.
Yeah, I'm sorry about that. I had my Chroma key on. I'm gonna need...
Beat that out.
I don't know. I'm too lazy to do this one. Alright, let's go back to watch my videos.
That Phantom Forces video on
This is the
Okay,
first Arsenal video. Well, first video game channel. Look how much different I look now.
I don't know, look at the background too.
Yeah, that's when I had no green screen. Yeah, look at this, level 55 on Arsenal. And hear my voice.
3, and this is the first official video of my channel.
Alright, so now let's go and watch. Let me see. Let's go down. These are some terrible thumbnails. Like, let's go to game and setup. Let's watch this.
Today is gonna be hello everyone. This is
God, my
303,
voice is so different.
and today is gonna be in setup. So this is the office. I have this
Look how mess- oh, yeah, that-
team.
Oh yeah, if you guys didn't know,
This is the office.
right now this office, I know it's very messy right in this video, but right now it's all cleaned out. We got new floor.
I have this man
So
cam side that you can see in
see,
the back.
there's that sign. She's just up here. I don't. Let me see. It's
Penis.
just Laddie, shut up.
Background.
Let me see. All right, and then
I actually won that on an arcade.
yeah, I got that. I remember I
Summit.
got that at Summit.
And here's the gaming setup. So I have
Oh, yeah.
a monitor. This monitor.
Yeah, I have. That's this
and
monitor
then I
now.
play games, and then
I don't know if you see this, but this monitor's that's the monitor I use now. I have a new monitor now.
I have this monitor to
And then I remember that Dell monitor. That thing was
I
not
have this
good.
monitor to
Oh, that giant one?
video. I have the Logitech Brio.
Yeah, I still
webcam.
use this.
So I use that. Have some speakers. Some
Don't use those.
Yeah, actually, what I do with that.
The decorations are gone, but the speakers are still there.
decorations.
I remember all
Lego,
these
bunch of
Lego.
Lego cars. 'Cause I like Legos.
I remember these Lego cars, and I remember
And
that
this is some
sign.
other stuff. I also got
Oh, yeah, I
this
have
glowing
that. I have
alien.
more of those.
I won from the summit.
Look at all this crap on my desk. Like, I have Fortnite figures and putty. There's a Yoshi in the back.
And some more stuff back
That's
there.
hot.
And I have some.
I'm eating spicy ramen, and
some
it's very hot.
figures.
Like, I
Yeah.
burnt my tongue.
What?
I burnt my tongue on my ramen, and I'm sad now.
Why did you just message I?
L.
Alright, let's go back to the video.
Hey, Bellinter.
There.
Look at all these
Some
Fortnite figures. I had some small dust, small
3D
stuff.
printed that at
Oh yeah, there's the F1 car.
school. That's some more
Shells.
More stuff. This is my keyboard.
There's that keyboard that was making a lot of noise, but this one kind of makes like that noise, like.
It's a Logitech G5 13.
Yeah, and it is the G5013.
I always get stuff wrong, so if I'm wrong, so
But you're not wrong.
yeah.
I think that is the G513. Let me see.
It is, I think.
Logitech G513. Yeah, carbon. Yeah, it is.
So, and it's a clicky one.
God.
So that. I have a big Logitech mouse pad.
Oh yeah, if you guys didn't know, I use this mouse pad now. I had the RGB mouse pad, but the light's burnt out on that because that thing is like cheap. I got that actually at a Dave & Buster's.
Logitech G502.
I remember that mouse, but now I have my Corsair one. I thought wireless was better, so.
It's the HyperX. And it's my headphones.
I had the HyperX.
Oh, those things broke.
And maybe
Yeah, right now I'm using the Corsair ones. I think like one day I tripped on the cord and stepped on it and bent the metal. So yeah, rip.
maybe in the future use the HyperX.
And
This is
then
the mic on it, and maybe in the future I'll get some more upgraded. And lastly, the PC. So this is the PC. It's a CyberPower PC. Get a whole bunch of lights and some other stuff.
oh yeah, if you guys let me see, this RAM slot that was 8 gigabytes and now I have 32. So sorry if I keep pausing on the video. I'm really curious to see.
Gaming chair. So that's about it for today. Just wanted to show you everything.
I don't know why it's. Oh yeah, I don't. You can ignore all this stuff.
One.
All right, so now let's go to let's go to my first video. Some videos on here. Let's see. You remember? I remember this video.
Hey, Kim, what was the thing called where you could view your specs?
Hello everyone, welcome back to another
Oh, yeah.
video.
I don't know why I filmed it
2.0.
like that. Let's see. Where was? Oh yeah. Yeah. All the bottles were in the trash. Do not litter, or anything. And always recycle. So I'll just say that before other kids start doing it.
I have a 16.
Oh yeah, this is when Laddie threw the bottle and it hit the talkies and it went down the slide.
Oh, there goes the talkies.
Let's watch the. Where was the part? Wait, where was the part that
Not broken yet. Not broken yet.
Alright.
Alright, I'm gonna do this one as hard as I can.
What's that car in the background?
Oh! Oh! It rained!
Laddie doesn't wear that beanie anymore.
That beanie is gone, dude.
Wait, where'd it go?
I had a voice crack there. Did you hear that? I had a voice crack right here.
Wait, where'd it go?
Did you hear that? It's a voice crack.
Yeah.
Wait, hold on.
And then this is where Laddie chucks it at the pole.
Oh, no!
Look, it's all over my phone as well. Look, that's what. He did dead center on that.
Quick.
I did.
And then.
Oh.
That's where I kick in it when your
It
eye.
went all over my eye. It went all over my phone. It went in my eye. And now we'll throw
And
it.
then.
And now we'll just throw it. We throw it away. Yeah. Where did the cap go, dude? It rained all over.
That video was boring. Alright, we're not gonna watch these. Oh yeah, this was my first video that was hit my most views. Why did I just do that? I have to mute it because that song's copyrighted.
Oh, it's not.
Yeah, it is.
It shouldn't be.
This is just for a short. Yeah, look
Mm.
at that. Let's see. Levels. Vici. So I'm gonna need to cut that out. 1,122. And then I could play this sound. Backflip on the scooter. Yeah. I think we might be ending the video here, so soon.
Penis.
Shut up, way. I'm recording. Stop.
Exactly.
It's your face on that thumbnail.
Play it. Play it. Play it. Play it. Gotta love the fact that a lot of people point out. Oh, the wind, bro! The wind is real.
Yeah, this was when like a thunderstorm was coming when we were at skate park.
Oh yeah, that balloon that was flying down the road.
All right, there. I have to mute it because the song's copyrighted. All right. We'll just look at 2 more videos and then we'll end the video.
Oh,
oh wait, you remember this?
Oh yeah, that was funny. Cayman being stupid.
Oh yeah, and then, yeah. Also, I don't know if you realize this, but like right here, watch my phone fall out, and then like me, just like he's gonna run it over, and then like, how did I even do that? Like, I just do that, and I just went like it just went right in between.
Bro. Dunking on a lawnmower.
Oh. And then I was cursed. And then when here, this is when Laddie drives up on the scooter.
I'll pull up.
Look at the thing swinging.
The bike fell and I did.
Yeah, that's not filmed on our cameras. Actually, no. Now let's watch Laddie's first video.
No.
Yes.
The mouth.
Oh, wait.
Ripping mouth.
Yeah, first video. It almost has 200.
Yeah.
Yeah, this song is not copyrighted.
Welcome back to another video.
Oh, yeah.
Hello guys.
Look at how small your webcam is now.
Mm.
And you remember,
Bro,
like,
look at
when-
that! Listen to that voice!
Today we are playing Arsenal with Cayman. Cayman
Today
Talk.
we're playing Arsenal with Cayman.
Today we are playing Arsenal.
Like,
Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are
That
playing
voice though,
Arsenal
dude.
with Cayman. Cayman Talk.
Cayman Talk.
that was when you had my volume low on Discord, though.
No, game's over.
That was,
That
remember when
voice,
you were,
dude.
remember that mouse? Oh wait, is that song copyrighted?
No. Shouldn't be.
Oh wait, hold on. Let me see, where was the part that...
52 something. It was 52 something.
Where's the part? I remember that part, like where that me and this guy both. So like, me and this guy were both on Golden Knife. We both killed this one guy, but it counted that he got the win. Let's see.
52 something.
This is where Laddie like rips it.
I just said, ah!
Ready?
My heart's pounding right now, dude. Yeah.
So you can barely hear me. And then, let's see. God.
It was so funny, dude.
That was the first comment. Just a basic hi, and someone else said hi. And outro got cut out.
Yeah. Don't play Arsenal montage.
Yeah, or
Copyrighted.
or things
Actually-
like flat bottles.
Yeah, don't do that one either. Actually, play that one. That one's funny. Just mute it.
Alright. Flash warning. He's just spinning around.
Just wait.
Yeah, that's bright. Oh, look at that. I just paused it right on. How long is this video? 21 minutes. Drinking hot sauce from Taco Bell.
Oh god, not that one.
I have the worst
Oh, that's when you had your bleached hair.
taste buds ever. Hot sauce packet from Taco Bell.
Just pour it down the mouth, you know?
Remember this tornado warning?
Oh, that was funny. Just vibing, bro. Or tornado watch.
Get an Easter egg, shiny ace. That's a Rickroll, though.
It is.
To space we go.
My most popular video. Play it. Play it.
Alright. I still
It's
don't
not-
understand that how this got.
It's not copyrighted. It's just annoying.
Well, I think it is. Just.
I also think it's annoying.
Oh yeah, this did not work at all. Okay, so people don't seem to like this.
Don't look at the comments. There's multiple curse words.
I like it. It's kind of weird. This was a weird comment.
What?
Look at this comment. This was mean.
What was it?
1,000 likes for someone playing a trash song and Walking Man. Like, he's just like, it's a walking man. It's not like Laddie's old or anything. And we're gonna get 1 million likes if I post a video of me playing a game. I'll just say here, nobody. I posted at least 100, and none of them are not like they're 1%. Actually, not even 1%. Like nothing. One of my 20 seconds of like back you demon. What? How did? Yeah.
Bro.
Here's Letty sit up.
Nah, I need to update that.
Oh yeah. Let's go to your first one.
I don't know if you guys know this, but half of the stuff that I have, my keyboard and mouse came from Cayman.
Yeah.
I'm just saying this now. Cayman gave me my keyboard and mouse.
Like this mouse right here. The Glorious.
Yeah, Glorious. I still use that thing. I love it.
In my HyperX keyboard, I gave that to him.
Yeah, I haven't made a video on that one yet.
And then... Where was it? And then... There's the green screen. That didn't work, right?
Somewhat, not really.
And then, like, you got some... I'll give you that mouse. I don't know why these people, like, think it's... I was gonna say that. But I'm gonna censor it out. He's like, I don't get it. Shh. I don't get it.
Ooh, S word. Ooh, S word.
It's S word, bro. I don't give a S word, bruh. Well, brew. He's meant to spell bruh. Brew. And he's like...
I love the fact that this man doesn't even know how to spell bruh. Bro.
Alright, we're gonna probably end the video right here, so If you guys want to check those out, they're just there.
Yeah. Yeah, no, plug my channel.
Yeah.
You guys should check out Opera GX.
Oh yeah, this browser.
Yeah.
Most of you probably know about it, but
who knows?
Is it opera? How do you say, like, opera or opera?
I don't know.
I think it's opera, but opera gang. So that's what I got in a comment.
Totally not downloading it right now.
Share me your screen. Let's see. Also, go subscribe to XX.
Well, this kid, you can subscribe to him. He's interesting.
Also,
He's an interesting child.
I did this for him.
Yeah.
And this intro. Wait, the thing is, I want to see. Oh, he did it.
You know what's funny is that my dad has Opera GX.
Really?
Yeah.
That he actually used it.
Yeah. Yeah, no, I got 16 gigabytes of RAM.
Alright, I've been wasting too much time. We're gonna end the video here, so yeah. Goodbye. Okay, shut up, laddie. I'm out of here, bye. We're getting out of here.